Welcome back to my new video. I'm going to teach you how to write data to a text file using Golang. And we are going to use the OS package. So let's jump right into the IDE. I'm already in the IDE, so I'm going to create a new folder called Write Text Files. Okay, so I'm going to create our main Golang file. And within the main function, I'm going to use the OS package. So os.create, I'm going to use the create function. And the create function takes a string and then it returns a file and then an error. Okay, so I'm going to pass in the file name. So let's just call it file.txt. Okay, so I could have even declared a variable, call it file. And I know I'm going to call it file.txt. This is going to be a string. And then I'm just going to pass this file here. Okay. And this is going to return a file object and then an error. So I'm going to handle that error. So I'm going to call if error is not equal to nil, let's just log let's just log the error. Okay. Else we want to close this file, but defer it. So I'm just going to say defer keyword, and then I'm going to say close, and then pass in the file. No, it's the other way around, file dot close. Okay. And then we are now going to declare an array. Declare an array of strings. Okay. So we're going to call it the lines. And then our square bracket, and then the type is going to be a string. Then I'm just going to say Ghana, Nigeria, USA, Russia, China, India. Okay, so this is what I'm going to write into our file.txt. So I'm going to loop over this array of strings. So I'm going to use the for loop. We suppress the index, so we're going to say line range lines, and then we say file dot write string. Okay, so we pass in line. So that is all to it. But then I think we can create a function for this and call it in the main function. So I'm just going to call it write text file, and then maybe pass in file name. So I'm just going to create this new function. Create this function. And this is going to be a string. Okay. So let me take this one out and just call it file. Let me just call it big caps. Okay. And that is all to our function. So this is the function, write text file. And then inside the main, I'm going to pass this name, write text file. I'm calling this file inside our main. Okay, and then passing the name of the file to create. Okay, we handle the errors. Here we say handle errors. In this one we say create a file. And this one we say write lines to file. Okay, so that is all to it. So that is our function, and then we're calling it here. So let's run this function. So as you can see here, this is the, okay, so let me see. All right, never mind. I was trying to write it to this directory, but it's okay. So this is our text file. So if I double click on it, you see, this is the lines we've written to this text file. So let's see if we can write it this way. Okay. All the names will go to a new line like this, instead of everything on one line. I'm going to close that and say, once you write this, we're going to concatenate this with a new line. All right, so let me run. Let me run this again. Okay, so it's done. So let me open it. So now you can see the new file contains all the names with a new line. So that is all to creating or writing some data to a text file. Okay, I think I could have even made it CSV. Let's see what we get if I run this. Yeah, so you see, this is the file. If I open it, you see, it gives the same results. Okay, so that is all to it. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to put your comment in the comment section below, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.